When you purchase a pre-construction property from a builder in Alberta, you pay 5% GST, which is already included in the purchase price. You don't need extra cash at closing like in Ontario for the HST rebate. Now, there are two different rebates available. A GST new housing rebate, which is available if you're going to personally live in the unit, and a completely different GST new residential rental property rebate that is available if you're going to rent the unit out. The amount you get back is based on the value of the property. So if your purchase price is $350,000 or less, you get 36% of the 5% GST back, up to a maximum of $6,300. Between $350,000 to $450,000, your rebate gradually decreases from this amount on a sliding scale. And above $450,000, sorry, no rebate for you. It completely goes away at that point. So how do you apply for the rebate? Well, if you bought the property as your primary residence, then the developer is often going to deduct this and claim the rebate on your behalf. You don't have to do anything. If the unit is a rental investment property, then as soon as you have a signed 1-year lease, you can file for that rebate. You have a maximum of 2 years after your closing date to apply for the GST rebate. And again, you can file it as soon as you have the unit rented. You simply need to complete a form on the CRA website. Now, here are some warnings. You likely will not qualify for the GST rebate if you do any of these things. Number one, if you sell the property after closing, you will not qualify for the GST rebate. If you're in a rental guarantee, you don't have a 1-year lease with a tenant, so you're not going to qualify. If you rent the property on Airbnb or on a short-term basis or even month to month, not going to qualify. You need a 1-year lease. I have more information, including how to apply for the rebate, available on my website at condomillionaire.com/GST rebate. So go over there for more info. If you have any questions, I recommend consulting with an expert because it is so easy to make a mistake here and you don't want to have your GST rebate claim rejected.